Mala. Good afternoon, Canada, America. Good evening, Canada, Ethiopia. And then I think in the morning, go Australia, and go on. So, yeah, good to topic, and we're going to you up in Changdari. But it will depend on the length of the topic. So, Dr. Wilgila, welcome, brother. In India, Mr. Kim Gwyn, Rachel, Captain Kwans, how are you? So anyway, the list go on. I think they're gonna come there by now for me. Elder Bozulok, so go to the one week topic. Me thought that of course, but tell it space method. Take a patient number by Jagar. Can't imagine the next person could bend in it. Wait, it's quite a long. So it's kind of good sometimes, and it's kind of bad. So, come and maybe out in healthcare, quite abuse a little bit, but a kind of, especially wait out in a guy who is just so cold. So it's a good over that contact topic. So for those viewers that normally follow me in English, this topic again will be in Nuer. I'm going to come up with I will be talking about very sensitive topics, that I personally been seen in the ED, and I was wondering how I can deliver that into our community. So I figured out I think it would be better to just discuss it in my mother tongue, which is Nuer. So with the few people that are coming, Chin in your pocket, it's good to see you, brother and sister. So with that being said, I think I will just continue in Nuer. So on topic go rubber like a jawala. Have you kun topic medicine? Che discuss quite more thunisin. The la gora discuss gig a little bit. Do you be up a by and they'll consider as new matun for now. But topic go a topic very sensitive. A sensitive very difficult. Ko a sensitive again go to your no ko I think a topic silent killer a little bit in our community. People like to discuss kacha go about no, but take a time limit. Mukini reveal and topic more. Kini no enjoy more. Kini no hear more. Jin got a curb. Okay, Jin wood is a curb. Kini lar. Check do cheer more. Then a very difficult way did you look. Our timeline there is about 8 hours. Have dealt with it. Last week I took one case. Shwakula take her out. Wow. You remember to think that Anakula. You could long express it. So a lot of people about like a jawala. I mean like testicular torsions. Kapuglim testicular torsions. Baling a guy to come medical school. Dr. Wilgilani got to come me. But go to the community done as a wool darling. Testicular torsion, chericum like ovarian torsion. But I can side by side. Can a dream very common, can native very young people. need very young people and testicular torsion ka tung Nuer chere go ala dol ma pit kamo min chi te go bi chub gwang weda la ngade ni ken la ken bumetet akolar ni an ken ka tung Nuer. I don't think it's a very offensive word. So la ni an ken la kerodi na la ken a pen matabji la gade tor la ni an la ken jen jidu biga ben ka go kien de kon min kula sek. So biga chengtin a gwa mo gwa wi ga me pidi wi ga me didi. So bu go nan bo me la ga rode but ta ga dep me la rode normal actual spamatic court, you know, a dep ka do dol chi nyera nga jalong but mi jin man ga da mo po ga la ja fiele. So and dep nan la take a time whether read in ro ko war kia dong chi ta ke exercise method dep na la gula la read. So this is for men. But take it the same things ka woman min chat ka ke testis eventually ovary ken tonken yo ba picture ken ba nyot kon wana ba che lele picture dole to one nyal. So yo en riedin chi ri rodu be nyanan chi rodu law ne na baroda rit mi cha roda rit ka roade bi je ker mo be je ma. So be the talk me jegni je go chara me be chalu chara me be je ne testicle, you know, la dolo wala ne ni je na man be my you nika dol corodian nobody like to discuss private area there am no let alone no be a lot more la gori je birut guys it's statistical emergency medicine 1 in 4,000 male la take a testicular torsion. Alarm kill rainity 400. Chicken one along. Who call a population meaning con Nuer we mon kelo. I think don't con 4-5 million con chop. But nay at all, Kuram kill can 400 kuela cantin. So can 81. So nay at all, like a cover kajen joyamo. A dream very emergent. Allow me to go to Jego by identify capet. By one the banung doctor capet. Be doctor be treatment be order capet. Go and troch in a more. Chereke heart attack loit. Mala to go nyan mitcher order it kenyam. Be blood bezel ideal tin wo. Tin kuriam lo loy jok like Venus flux. Beka kapchong. So bin yan itself brought a cop. So cop is a cop rode. But womu we till I shall artery. Tin ku ngadil nung to kuriam the nung. Ray nyana garden no more. But womu we ka kapchong. So me check a kapchong or guamo now batch will increase but womu get into so severe. So be bad mo womu we be jigada la gatu one wa just for the sake of tell la gat me go especially doll my pika pizza kala come doll it's very common from I would say from 12 or worker 25 jen go la roll thing ka jen go la doll a guru go chiga bitiga man chiga bitiga nyaman ni gwani ken mi chi tie ka gadu chi jen mal discussing. So what is going to happen is bekan badge mo bekan at all. Don't go ala be jeda. So be ka badge me di we don't chereka appendicitis. Chereka appendix can be near appendix. You know, could roll around be jeda. Could sweat. Ke don't around mo ke nausea, ke nguk, can all these things. So to tell me chika happen ke you got do be jeda. Ko appreciate the level of pain each alademo. Go to JB and dual wall. Once you chop dual wall, especially the emergency room, with the doctor and I lademo, a gua. I didn't be exam worker. So exam about can them By jida ba guru go you don't ba tiap ba mo stress ko kunguni. But ba guru eventually ba guru ba rich ba ngade ne ba nian ga daro ba ko gwit. So mala to ke nian daro la ke la check. Binyanin chita ke Torsion itself borode yomnyal be check. Chebu par ke nianame. Then mu wa ko de nanen kujele ja ku la low ge je mu wa je wat tiap yo ba jikti gu mururuktin. The road rook actually the road read terega deb yang and ala roda mula roda read. So be doctor bururu mo be jektin. And then of course. Just to do that exam alone, I will tell you like God die kind in yal. Kajan kela la kana yen ko at home mu we jawal hare don't go tiabi. Be. So going to ruru ko me chi jektin jin doctor mo be two thing bigger talk me ti ke ultrasound again the diagnosis again the test of it. I mean 100% of it be yiglel me la ultrasound alat la blood flows to the nyan gada la ja check take a flow mo go amore ko take a flow mo go amlunjo. Ko take a doctor very common to church ke je and bad more. If they take infections, me like your foreign grains, me la talk your skin, but then gotta be you pot church. But we ultrasound more different. Me do me like your epididymitis. A line can run the corn boy in your epididymis in go and tell to thin. Don't dare take infections. So, with that being said, I am reading your picture a little bit, then we'll go on. So, I think they do not read a little bit here, okay. So, Michi will get again picture of my right kingdom. I'll point David itself. See how it come again, how it come down. I'll point Nana got again, Nan Kaluki and Naran, I would put it this way, but right like a gut. So, but David May itself, a lot of that twist. So mi charo da twi the charo da nyongone be to gun ken realty yeliti karelti loy ke riem job. So riem ben karal da arame ba ben ka testicle realty yeliti bi ko loy nyal. So but ke o charo da twi yo charo da rit karade ba reality briem loy job be kana kapchon. So beriem ja loy re nyana gada na me. So an riem chi loy ngwa me berala no riem Guame bech wa capture. So kucharala nungium guame che capture. Now you point Nanagada itself be Utherium. The mila actually schemia beto a low barato milli with that in itself. So mintakula alarm nan different diagnosis de. Mila gurke cha de park je. A word name mutual epidemics. Epidemics sometimes I take infection. Guame agent gua la sperm la ka did produce in kwa store thing. Sometimes la te bait but she bait da shirt ka bait torsion. So me work on a chadi yo jenen. Agent took chan to come na me and then me very clear the limited thing. But with it now it's with a chair long pin. Okay? But min charori jenen. Ala me to quichu je me yella me. Now nyana me charo rit. So that mean alaria minba. Ria malu jo kenya me. She pin wo ko charo rit. So charo rit from tan te ge chunga charo de chat like chalka or horizontal layer. Ajenan kwal wo tiap doctor yo doctor nan wo tiap kunyan ke liula very smooth lung ropin but nyan me to get Torsion la nyure chere ke mi chere gat mi ala reading. Let me put it that way. Chere gat mi ala reading. Kaba bajalong. So now me kini mal yo mi doctor ku ngai okay now I'm suspecting this. Don't take a Torsion mi talk. But chere mi chala manan the best test it will be ultrasound by order. By ultrasound order for immediate cause consultation. Me tell ultrasound by jakadul wal medin me take ultrasound. Now, me tell ultrasound completely. Let's say you work. I will not put Gambela. Don't you want to Dora never quite low, you know, in a place where there's no ultrasound. But I have to deal with this. So the doctor get chapman by chabe, you know, be hand twisted in Nyaname. Let me get you a picture of hand twisting. Banako treatment, I can't go treatment. So when I like a joykel, me chat, alame chali epidemics, chacholi epidemitis. Like a porter sometime, la beda chat, keja. Timber dear me chali, foreign gangrenes. For some reason, la like a mojic infection on the skin. So la beje challenge, but a very easy, different, very easy. Go the me infections, menan mi nyot kon torsions, you know. So torsion mo la kabe money dol timpai wo timpai wo wood. So now once me chia ku dai me chi ultrasound chia ku kan chi ultrasound ku nyode okay now nyana me chorode rit tell blood me bathin ka tell blood me lojo. So then now you order a surgeon mostly ka western world me da kon specialist to one maybe ka Africa dong da general surgeon da le but role me la go ni urologist. So urology will go with in matter of less than 8 hours. Min go rabi na very urgent kaje. Ke wo nyana me mi chetel remotin. A che 8 hours che bal. Bin nyana me beliu. Nyan ran mi che liu. A che infected ko wo chi jan ki chi gatti jan ra ko complain about pain. Now chi gadamo chi live de chi yar. Ko not only nyana me che be produced Bagadamo, but a possibility hotel like Gadmo Badap. Go chang and in the me, Madodian me can't order Trojan. Michin the me lu. I take you, let's say, Omich take 8 hours, you go up to 8 hours, but don't obey the raw cap chung you at the last. Ke hotel look me to tin don't Yamuni Ivy Port Pinicongu, then but what died out. So me after 8 hours, the surgeon will come around. Makana come around, okay, now Belu, by your two let. So liam nyana me what happened is banana the DNA me banana me benga to produce immune system tiku all the byproducts of death to kujet reuptake to kujet nang bekana nongwam kan immune system point to teach nong nyana me beka also beka nang nyana mun kula go anijen. So bagat chagat be badol me chagat be in the future. You know, but you cheramin kill me tere now the one money. So you think and would up, I mean there can liquid ejaculation tell produce there can produce, but tell is sperm to go through. So again call a go de la go. This is very important. Go making a catch in man gada ki yen family kin a catch very early in life. So chiagada do in a lifetime future me very very important. Go production community done very important. The same thing would happen Kenyal. But Bejala Bay Kenyal, let's see Bane discuss well in detail. So now me chiagujake ultrasound and this is happening this way. Cause the lead surgeon, what can you do? Tell him you repeat it, maybe ni the last complication there. A woman kana mal cash. So now we're talking about torsions. Alo charorder it. Why charorder it? But mutually ischemia beto. Ischemia je nong pain. Alo bear pot nanyan gelu. Why che pot makana mal look. I say 8 hour bull. Now be infected. But die believe. I'm pointing the enemy. One chin me liu, you not only at risk of the enemy chebi produce, manana do dien bewa effect in go rabal arcon. Go yes, but naname bewa effect. Why? Come on, the enemy will liu completely. Then be immune protective response of your body. Mun the enemy go to beb and protect. be production of the sperm ala anyway chala da chertul ala be tindi alin ku nyinda badu kan yana do dina mi bako wa fact so be gadama hen up ko ngu dong ba impotent but yellow we chere ke la chal ge jo tung no that's a crap word so bedol ma you pi da la jo so chete nyan kel mi chilu ma kan mal safe and then chen din chawa affected so that's why number 1 very very important to recognize it. Number 2 is very very important to recognize it and also go to the doctor. So complain dinigen ka dol chicken malalari kon be ni arana poi kaman poi jiga nyemo for whatever reason ta dol mi chi chup ka level wood na mon la poi jiga mi take a female la changa ni guru that ne pop dol fanken they don't discuss chicken mal so bugat mi gadi jogo no be jede don't only thing no don't be bang go don't kan don't bot don't take conspiracy ko kan te kon te ala kon ga lu for the lack of tell ma ngai kelong mi chi chak ke chi jogo no ga na go be ken la da be man ni anda you better do something. So anyway, once she doctor che diagnose che mi chalar menan be je ke urology according to Center for Urologists. I actually had a patient about a week ago. So patient mo me kulo da ja jet no ngo ba topic mo no nge jag je ke dul wal tarar you ne ben je almost ni ke like 11 o'clock at night ko war we can't save his testicle you ne da long save but the surgeon went chwa kamra nan chi lu ko ba nan da de ne me kula save ko mi che liu ka cha ban tin now che de chi ga liu ji de I hate to say that. So take a process ko kin la otin tin ku ga la waja wo ba wote la ba wajo wo chabu dabrun. So for that case, so you ne go be urology be ne chol urology no urology so garam chu nande I would say o che quit nana kamra whatever chele. But dung chi gadamo bendol wala me ke 8 hours before that. The point that nana chili would they save the other complication ko kene da what wo they get safe ajene ku no okay now let me think about this I got to tell people go and ne me piedo I mean to be roland but kind of maling bible and by telling in my practice in medicine for 17 years to talk medicine cha diagnosis twice but kind of malu la gwana malabo I think you're diagnosed twice but you're going to surgery. It's just like okay there's no big deal but mention any liu man it just make you feel sick in your stomach like you're on a job so talking about something very emergent again so now practically me come to you tell a surgeon don't again surgeon me go don't the deal get near. There is actually a way to reverse this, which I will start to. So anyway, again, no on the second picture. So nyan mi charo a twist. Let's go to this picture here, the first picture here. So again, nyan normal. So one charo a twist la lay horizontally like this. Like chere ka gat mi chala reading. So nyan normal. So ko nyan mi tabi like jigi chuguri long pin pod. But mi beje kai charo the riu chere gading. Now, you got the problem. So, in clinician na mo me che jago. Take a chance now, because I'm be muy ko wall. Min chimban na long let chang ko nyana me cha da tap chang. Because la gonna yoro there. So be muy ko wall me be pay be control and then you grab this nyan itself nyana me be kan. Again bagar me balel ge. So be can be read like ja and twist it. Jere deben cha rit. Ko charo rit karo. But kan rodo muy ke nyung kur kerin rodo koror so be deb de be kan be binga de pon yana be cup be twisted allow almost 70% of the torsion la tuoga to what kujero de me allow yo be kula kan chiri de chala de kujero de me so mi che grab go chiri ku chala de kuje me well I take a chance go be reversed reverse. One thing is going to happen is be paying into kagat, baroda kapchong, and then the flow of the blood vessel be jagni which flow the blood vessel so for the sake of go, you don't wait for 8 hours, more than 8 hours. Go to jail, be manipulation, man. You try it. You grab that testicle and then flip it back. Maybe a flip back, be a torsion. I will tell you, brother, you have saved that kid a testicle. Saving a testicle is saving somebody a kid. That is something very wonderful. So I just know that you go to that. So there are things that take a tit to walk. We want to go to the doctor and then a specific time. You know, Mitchell to walk on the mob. Please don't say you got cocaine by you will ruin by doctor lechol. Go one you call the doctor office by Joe light there and they go out don't be next week, you know. You chill wait, got them and now come go call we don't express pain, you know. So but a delay of care is something horrible. I like that we tolerate pain, but I hate that we delay cares. Kajen culture mo. So but mengay kon in good time sensitive disease like testicular torsion, ovarian torsion, they can conlo. Now, the second topic also is related to females. Ovarian torsions. So ovarian torsions la tuoga michi ovary now. Michi around a twist. Again, the same twist. I will just show you just a picture of it because I don't think about take time to discuss that next time. So michi ovary, michi around a twisted. Again, the same thing like happen. But presentation Indian is a little different. I take it hagama. So can you do? Of course, ovary te check already. There is no tell a complaint with the other alarm bejeda, you know. Like that like beta per appendix, you know, when we talk about ovary. Like beta appendix. Go ovary te chala nya. Let me see if I get a good picture here. Image of that. You can gross image here. So anyway, so la beje chala lower down there, you know. So the bed quichuate the bed quicham bed me very incidental. La beje kapep, you know. She bed me very slowly, bed me very incidental, mostly a young girl. Don't kid out with like the like ectopic pregnancy, which is also another emergency situation. So ovarian torsion meet at work, a chang and yammer country the dual ke wood mukan woman so by in G the namakelo. You know, be chimani jo jen number border town one the lad I chart ke menstrual cycle. Sorry, man, they go through a lot of pain. Men bay common, Kim and Guacaman, chicken pain chicken go every month, Michi cycle around Japan, Laran a bit, you know, Laran Badger. So Benjamin they get immune to some stuff, you know. So that talk of bed cramping and then it increase, it intensify. So Mitch talk it's been in that acute pain, it's a talk like that. So we got them being dual. The same diagnosis, testicular torsion. But I got them about we can ultrasound. But I figure out and go can ovary can order twisted. Go over meet order twisted it's a liu. Then the lab production. But good news can you know, which is excuse go there child diagnosis. Meet hand up and ovary quick kill more. Or don't get die. They already have the other ovary. You know, the God can produce. Like Jacob wound, our production do wound to walk every day. You know, me take a Michi to walk and go like very easy obey wood job by Joe, allow God check up, you know. But in check to store for longer term. Once you got me, once you check me tongue or chicken, sure. then they easily do that. Yeah, get a picture and go. Let's just discuss it a little bit together here. I'll flip it here. I hope you time to meet it. So just a scratch picture of the ovary. You know, allow again ovary let me bring it close. Yep, which you again ovary every month. Me check to ovulate la tuong la again guama bar grabs through Michelle polybian tube. Ala took polybian tube may chelel chereke yet. Again guan ku tuong kuela we. So enya me Michelle and over in me a low tail low. You see that? Take a demetod guame, take a demetod guam. Chere karamicha love we ngadika. Chere ramicha love we put it this way. Chere ramicha hang in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, I think which way me che go. So what happened is men pai nyal men pai men pai adapt talk here men pai when year them pai talk. Ala tung tin jen go me la ken ti politician la ken ka ban pin. I would call it pol for now. Don't better term go annual. Can pol to one day michi ovulation michi walk with me and put out below to pew. Well, like actual cyst, ovarian cyst, basis bag of form. Plan one system don't bedit. A bear over in them a bear job bedit along about mu qual. So the way I qual by hang a low woman baping, guam. So hang a yo. Me nyaro read a quick, you know, whether learn very light exercise, just read it cool, but all the twisted in the me, but all the rate. Career testicular dung woman. So no more one order it, but blood supplies in kujala serve, then back cut off. Now that ovary will look like this called ultrasound. You know, but you let it's a gross picture, I don't like that. So but you chwal. Normally lab can it there to go to look like that. You know, you see that ovary? It's a very nice looking one. But you michi die, you lava just yak la cheraka. This is a real picture of it. So for that case, Micharo twisted. Yeah, go to by nyal nang dual wall, by chill my banang dual wall. Don't ignore that complaint. So bawa hand twisted. So ba over in ba safe. So is also another time sensitive one. Testicular torsion chang right jamana. So kuji motoro, jen topic muguro banu kon chang dar. I wish we all have a great Christmas holiday and let's enjoy it. So but last but not least, at a loy me go amide lar chiamane dan dong ba nyob ben video but I just want to mention it here. My channel take a line. So 2 weeks ago, cha moi ka surprise party and nyamana kon ka demoy surprise party me come my family. I never knew that people love us so much, you know. No more let the nyamana kon to take a demoy ke nyamana kon to take a Minnesota, Pankin Bok and Nebraska, the whole Midwest. So you walk with much at young and ideal, you know. Rame lead Kamedan and Yumandan in your dwarf can a man gun bomb shot, Martin Yan two right, can Yumandan Numan Yerang, Yarod Kaga, Boganega, Minnesota. Can you do Yalakokin? A lot of them. So they give us a very big surprise party. I'll post some picture with it. So God, if you learn, Lloyd, it's a tail, you know, to less I can say, whatever I'm doing, I'll continue doing. So change your will take at least take a method me go am la de kokon. So again they add to the end of this picture. So they Larry, thank you. You know, you touch my heart. You touch all my family. We just cry. She had no time ago. It was actually the weekend of Thanksgiving. They had a great time. They had a great time, and then me too. It just touched my heart. So, namaste, Laria. Thank you more ko mi chalat ne dioke ne ngwan ko community done. I mean all of you have done it for me. You know, have done it for me. I've done it for you. I've done it for my family. Chalat ka ne di ne ideal tin langa encourage and do something good for your community. Your community is watching you. Well, I turn in practical. You know, you guys are watching us. You know, these people not only chicken work can did bang, chicken kudalata, large about us, chicken did can kit, and then they put their hand together. They contribute money. You didn't expect it, don't they jig at this time. You're one long, you know, that I just don't even know what to do with them. So anyway, so it's Lloyd Tate. May God bless you and become jig again. Next time I'll bring another topic. Thank you. Bye bye.